Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FINE token. Name of the token is FINE, ticker symbol is also FINE. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, September 13th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed today, September 13th at 9 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FINE, and then simply just buy the token. So it is live as of now on Mexc Global for trading. So this is FINE, is a unique meme for two reasons. They have grammar mistakes already. One, while sometimes modified, it's most commonly used in an unaltered state. Secondly, it's still popular and used despite now being 9 years old. This is definitely translated, whoever wrote this page here, and lots of grammatical errors in there. Now, this is an ERC20 token. You can tell because their Telegram here is at FineERC. If you want to follow their Telegram, they have 1,748 Telegram subscribers already, so they're doing pretty well there. They have their Etherscan on here, and there's a decent amount of holders so far, 3,478 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 FINE tokens. Their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here so you guys can easily find this project. It is this is FINERC. So it's like FINE ERC, but there's only one E, so it's kind of missing an E there. This is FINERC. 36 tweets so far. They just joined in September 2023 on Twitter. Almost 4,000 subscribers so far, so they're doing pretty well there. So their pinned tweet here, it says this is FINE meme is one this entire space can rally behind. With all the uncertainty about market conditions, regulations, and political events at the depths of the bear market, we keep the attitude that everything is fine. So that's what this is all about here. Now, this is very much a meme token. I expect little to no utility on this token. Now, if you go over to their webpage, finerc.vip, it says, "Who am I? I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently. The taxes on this are decent, 0% buy and sell tax." So they do have their Etherscan on here where you can find the contract address on their webpage. So you can also get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the FINE token using the contract address that you can find on their Etherscan at finerc.vip. And you probably will only have to set slippage maybe at the most up to 0.5% because of those buy and sell taxes being 0. And you can find on their webpage a link to CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, Etherscan, Twitter, and Telegram. So it says, my devs have the same all-right previous projects on their resume. They did a couple of billion or whatever. The contract seems to be renounced. The website is fine, and liquidity is burned, which also seems meh. Overall, seems like all is fine. So this is very much a meme token, as you could tell here. Now it says 93% of the tokens were added to liquidity on Uniswap. They have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1, token launch, website launch, 1,000 holders, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, social media presence, find token trending on Twitter. Then phase 2 is going to be community partnerships, exchange listings, more partnerships, digital marketing, 5,000 holders. Phase 3 is going to be international communities, website revisions, meme takeover, fine academy, fine merchandise, 10,000 holders. Very much your cookie cutter meme token utility there, like hardly any. So they have some frequently asked questions, like what is this is fine. It kind of goes over the same thing we already did. It's a meme that's 9 years old. How does fine differ from other cryptocurrencies? It's both a meme and culture coin, it says, meaning it is heavily focused on the use of memes and community engagement. It says you can get involved by getting tokens off of Uniswap, and now you can get it off Mexc Global, participating in community discussions on Telegram, Twitter, and Medium. So they probably have Medium articles coming soon, and spreading the word about fine through memes. And yeah, so it goes over step by step how to use Uniswap if you've never used Uniswap before. Now you can check out the security on this token by heading over to their DEX Tools chart, which is linked on their page. It says their total market cap is $6.79 million. Liquidity on Uniswap is $410,700. And 3,440 holders so far. They have a DEX score of 94 out of 99. Now, there's 5 alerts on their audit. So let's check out their audit here. It's got a 92.5% community trust score out of 214 votes. It says 0% buy and sell tax, so that's good. Contract verified, yes. No honeypot. No proxy contract. No mintable tokens. So it says external call risk is one warning there, and that's by GoPlus Security. It says tax is modifiable, so just be aware of that. You can be whitelisted, and there's anti-whale mechanism and is modifiable. So just be aware of all those warnings, the whitelist, anti-whale, and external call risk. So thoroughly do your own research before getting this tokens. Those warnings are there for reasons, so you don't get scammed, and make sure you're okay with you know, all the warnings there before investing in this token. But yeah, check out Mexc Global in the referral codes down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Fine token? I know there's not much to it. It is very much just a meme token. But just be aware of those warnings, like I said. Now, check out the Patreon link down there in the description box as well. And follow me on Facebook down there as well. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.